This is the ZHIYUN FiverAY 100 watt RGB tube light. And you know what's really cool about this light is that it offers the white spectrum, so all shades of the white and the RGB both in this one light tube. And on top of that, you can control all of the lighting options right on the control panel right in the front. So we'll take a look at this. We'll dive into the build quality, take a look at some of the features, and then I'll let you guys know who I think this is best suited for. Let's get into it. I'll say this right off the bat in terms of build quality. This is the best build quality out of any tube light I've ever held, period. Now, why do I say that? It has a hard metal exterior along with some parts in there that are a hard plastic, but overall this thing is a beast and it's made just beautifully. Everything about it, it's not technically a tube light, it's kind of rectangular, but it's not anything cheap. As soon as you hold this, you know you're holding a quality product in your hand. All right, in front of the FiverAY we have the included leather handle where you hold the tube light. Now, this leather handle is gorgeous. It feels good. It seems like it's got a really good grip to it. So when you hold it, it doesn't feel like it's going to slip at all. Got some beautiful stitching along the edges. A little symbol here from ZHIYUN. Nice touch. Really nice touch. And then you got the included barn doors. Now, those barn doors, for those of you that don't know, these are to diffuse the light or get that light in a particular area that you want. Now, I won't stick this right in your face because it's going to be super, super bright on camera. See what I mean? Now, if you open these barn doors, your light is going to be diffused way out. And if you close these barn doors, it's going to put it in a certain section. So you can do a lot of things with this tube light. Now, on the other side, we have the control panel. Everything you need to do, you can do right with this control panel. It's omnidirectional. So what I mean by that is, and if you press a certain direction, different options will come up for you. All right, let's take a look at some of these effects. Now, I don't know how this is going to look on camera because this is a bright light. I turned it all the way down to 10%. So hopefully it's not too bright for you guys, but let's go through some of these options. Now, let's see what we got here. A little rainbow pattern. Oh, that's pretty freaky. Okay, pretty cool. Nice. I like it. Little strobe action. Little blinking. Oh, that's cool. I really like this one right here. Tons of options. Little rainbow kind of thing here. I like this one too. Nice. That's slick. Very nice. Man, you can get really creative with this. I'm digging it. So that's just a little look at some of those. Now when you get the light, it comes with this beautiful case, and in this case, obviously it stores the light nicely, so you're not going to have to worry about any drops or dings with this case at all. So that fits in there really cool. You also get an egg crate that you can put on the front here, which actually puts your light in a certain direction. So if you want to use that egg crate, you can. You also have a shower cap. Just kidding, it's not a shower cap. It's actually a light diffuser, so you can put this over the barn doors. It'll actually diffuse the light for you. So there's lots of options you have here. Includes everything. There's nothing to add on that you need to have. And that's kind of what I really like about this light too, is that everything is included in this package. And right now on Amazon, it's typically $250, but right now I just saw that they're having a 15% discount, so I thought that was pretty cool. I always include the links down below so you can check it out if you'd like. Let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of the FiverAY. Now, as I mentioned before, this has the best build quality out of any tube light, period. There is nothing, in my opinion, that comes even close, and that's saying a lot because these lights are relatively expensive, but man, this has superior build quality. I also like the lighting options on here too. So the Kelvin range goes from 2700 to 6500. You have the entire white spectrum and you have the RGB spectrum. So you can literally get any color, any intensity of that color you want, and you can diffuse that light or direct that light any direction you want. So man, for content creators, this is an absolute bargain. I love how everything you need is in the kit. You get the barn doors, the diffuser, the egg crate, the light wand itself, the charger, the case, everything for the price. That's awesome. So no add-ons. You don't have to worry about anything. Everything you need is right in the package. Now, one thing I would love to see on the FiveRay is app support. I want to control the light from an app, because once I get that light set up and I go back to my camera, I don't want to have to get back up and go change that light if I happen to not like the way I set it up. So I'd love to change it from my app and look at that light without having to leave the camera. So that's one thing I would definitely love to see ZHIYUN incorporate into the FiveRay. That's going to wrap up our look at the ZHIYUN FiveRay. It's an absolutely fantastic, and I mean fantastic, tube light for content creators. Personally, it's my favorite tube light out there, and especially in the price range, nothing even comes close. Best build quality, brightest lights, all white spectrum, all RGB, comes with everything you could possibly need in order to create your content. To me, that's a great buy. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing, liking the video, or if you have any comments, leave them down below. Thank you for hanging out with me, and as always, I truly appreciate the support. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.